In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the inner door handle on the driver's side door of a Grand Cherokee. To remove the panel, we're going to open up the two connectors right here. There's little covers. Take a small screwdriver, pop that cover open. You can see, you can hold that plastic cover aside, 7mm socket, and we're just going to back that screw off. Just get it right out of there. So now the inner handle, we're going to open that up and take this plastic cover out. Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take this screw right out. Set it aside. So now we're going to disconnect that main power switch. Just take a trim tool, pop it up, and basically disconnect that electrical connector. You can pop that red safety tab up like that, and push down on the gray tab, and disconnect it. Now with the trim tool, we're going to take the side panel and we're just going to start pushing these clips, the lock clips that are in there, out. Find where the clip is and pull out. You're going to have to go all the way around and do this. There we go. Now we can really grab it and pull. So the top will just come out forward towards you. I want to disconnect this little tab right here. Push in, push it down. Now we can set this aside. Now with a 10mm socket or wrench, we're going to disconnect this inner door handle base. Set that bolt aside. Flip it over. Now you can see that cable, how it goes into that handle. And you'll see the two butterfly tabs right there. So with a pair of needle nose pliers, you can grab those two tabs. What you want to do is squeeze them so that you can kind of extend it through. There we go. If you have to pull on it a little bit, then you're going to bring it around, take it right out of that handle like that. Grab your new one, line it up, put it right in. There we go. There we go. Then pull on that, line it up, and then it will just click right in. Like that. There are no tabs for the locking part on the up here. It just has a little cutout groove that it sits in. I'm going to start that 10mm bolt head. Get your socket or a wrench. Snug it up. Make sure it's straight. So we have to connect this connector right there. That lock. Make sure that your lock button is through that little opening. Like that. And what you're doing is lining up these pins right there with the hole. And you have to start from one side. It's not like a normal, what I find a normal interior door panel. And then you've got to work your way around slowly. There we go. You really have to line each one up. just keep checking periodically, make sure that harness is up through for the window switch. So right in here was that little Phillips screw. And that has this plastic cover, which you can see the design of it. This goes right in that way. Click right in. So this is the screw with the 7mm socket. Yeah, it can be kind of challenging. There we go. The angle of this, you can't even use any power tools. Perfect. Then just take that little clip, cover, snap it down. Now we can put our main window switch on, line up the locks and the pins, slide it on, locks. I have the red lock right here. Snap that in place. Just push it down. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.